तावानेव भूवलयस्य सन्निवेशः प्रमाणलक्षणतो व्याख्यातः एतेन हि दिवो मण्डलमानं तद्विदौ उपदिशन्ति यदा द्विदलयोः निष्पावादीनां ते अन्तरेण अन्तरिक्षं तत् उभयसन्धितम्. This way I have described the nature of the Bhumandalam in the previous chapters. So Bhumandalam, the entire cosmos, the entire universe. We saw Jambu Dvipam, the Kamela Oror Dvipam, right? Which are covered by ocean, and then the next Dvipa, Plaksha Dvipa, Krauncha Dvipa, Kusha Dvipa, Shalmala Dvipa, Shaka Dvipa, Lapatume are 7 Dvipas which are covered by ocean in the middle. So he's saying, and this way I have described the Bhumandalam for you. This earth, which is 50 crores yojanas distance. The size of the earth is 50 crore yojana. One yojana is about 8 miles. And Antariksham, Andarena Antariksham, the earth, heaven is always above the earth, and they go in as though in pairs, like the leaves which are in trees which are in pairs, it seems. One leaf is on top of another madri. The leaves are in pairs on trees. Yatha dvidalayoho nishpavadi admadri. The earth and heaven is always above the earth, and they as though are in pairs together. They go together. In between the earth and the earth and the heaven is the sun shining. So, in the sunlight is reaching all the lokas below the earth and also the heaven. So, on the sun, it has Arohanam, Avarohanam. So, and the sun is in which Rashi? These are all today's topic about the movement of the sun. So, Antarikshatoda middle in the sun, adula 3 movements are there, which are, one is fast movement, one is slow movement, and one is the even arc. So, Uttarayana, Dakshinayana, we know, right? From now, about a couple of weeks, Uttarayana Kala is starting, right? And now it will go all the way to June, July or something, and Dakshinayana will start, right? Like that, that is all because of the sun's movement. When it is going above the equator, the northern solstice, below the equator, southern solstice, and so the day and the night, the distance, day will be long, night will be less. Then in the other way, it will be, day will be short, night will be long. Then few days in the year, it will be near the equator, so the day and night will be equal. Like this, all the movement of the sun is described to the Capricorn. Then it starts the days are long and the nights are short. Makara Rashi or Capricorn. Then in the next 6 months, it will go to the Karkataka, Cancer zodiac sign, and then the day will be short, night will be long. This way, everything happens because of the Surya Bhagavan. Yada mesha tulayoho vartate tada horatrani samanani bhavanti yada vrishabadishu panchasu charashishu charati tadaha neva vardhante hrasati cha masye kaika ghatika ratrishu. Yada mesha tulayoho vartate tada horatrani samanani bhavanti yada vrishabadishu panchasu charashishu charati tadaha neva vardhante hrasati cha masye kaika ghatika ratrishu yata vrishchikadishu panchasu vartate tada horatrani viparyayani bhavanti Shinayanam ahani vardhante yavat udagayanam ratrayah yavat dakshinayanam ahani vardhante yavat udagayanam ratrayah. So in that, the days and nights, when the sun is moving through those, the days and nights are samanani bhavanti. Then when it goes to the Vrishabha Rashi, Vrishabhadishu, that is Taurus, then succeeding other signs, the day is longer and the night becomes shorter. So that is the summertime. In US we have the daylight saving time and all, right? Like that, Masima se Gaika, then by slowly by every Katika, 20 minutes, the day is longer and the night becomes shorter by about 20 minutes. 20 minutes change will come. Then when the sun is moving through Scorpio, Vrishchika Rashi, Vrishchika, Eva Nava Kotaya Eka Panchashallakshani Yojanana Manasotara Giri Parivartanasya Upadishandi. तस्मिन् ऐन्द्रीं पुरीं पूर्वस्मान् मेरोः देवदानीं नाम दक्षिणदो यां संयमनीं नाम पश्चात् वारुणीं निम्लोचनीं नाम उत्तरतः सौम्यां विभावरीं नाम तासु उदय मध्याह्न अस्तमय निशीतानीति भूतानां प्रवृत्ति निवृत्ति निमित्तानि समय विशेषेण मेरोः चतुर्दिशम्. We are doing our life on the earth, right? And then in the middle, so many things are going on. So there is the Manasottara for the sun to move through this Manasottara mountain. Manasottara mountain is above the earth. On the top of this mountain is the Devata Loka, the heavens. And each east, west, north, south, which devatas reside, that is mentioned here. So the sun takes how much time? 9 crores 51 lakh yojanas astu. Eka panchashan lakshani navakotaya eka panchashan lakshanani. 9 crore 51 lakh of yojana the sun has to traverse, to cover. And the sun is continuously on the move, right? Doing the seva to Bhagavan. So the Surya Bhagavan, he only makes pravritti, nivritti. So because of him, the work is going on in the universe. So Manasottara Giri Parvata, in the top of the mountain Manasottara, on the east side is the place called Devadani, where Indra, Aindrim Purim. Indra is living. Indra and the Devatas are living there. Towards the south of the Manasottara, top of the mountain, towards the south, Yama city is called Samyamanim. Samyamanim Nama is there. Towards the west is called the Nimlochanim Nama, Paschat Varunim Nimlochanim Nama. Varuna Devata is in charge here. It is called Nimlochani. Uttaradaha Saumya Vibhavarim Nama. Now Soma, the moon god. He is the Soma. The god is north Vibhavarim. So east la Indra, south la Yama, west la Varuna, north la Soma. This way the heavens are also covered by the sun. And here, so in these two, earth and the heaven, the sunrise, the midday, the evening, and the sunset, like that, one by one it happens, so that it allows the people to engage in their day-to-day activities. This way, sunset, so sunrise, midday, sunset and midnight occur one after another. That is this one. Tasu udaya madhyahna astamaya nishitanidi. So, morning, midday, evening, midnight. Bhutanam pravritti nivritti nimittani samaya visheshena meroho chaturdisha diva samadhyangada eva sada adityah tapati savyena chalam dakshinena karoti yatro deti tasyah samana sutra nipade nimlochadi yatra kvachana Syandenabhitapadi tasya haisha samana sutra nipade prasvapayati Tatra gatam na pashyanti etam samanupashyetam. It is always midday, it seems. So we are blessed here because the sunrise, middle time, sunset, night. This way we have on the earth most of the places except some Alaska and all, I don't know, right? There are some places here where northern nights whatever. So there is only 6 months day, 6 months night. I have not gone all there. So like that, those the places like that are there. 6 months night, 6 months day. So both 6 months night, people will be immersed in alcohol and tamas. Thank God we don't have all that. So we are in Bharata Desham. We are so blessed, and like that in this Meru Parvata region la midday the sun is keeping Meru to his left and keeping on going round and round. So that is why Meru will always midday. दिवसमध्यङ्गद एव सदा आदित्यः तपति सर्वेण अचलं दक्षिणेन करोति. Then यत्रोदेति तस्याः समानसूत्रनिपाते निम्लोचति यत्र क्वचन the sun is rising in one place and setting in opposite place. So when it is rising in one place, that place becomes, people get heat because of the heat of the sun. Then when it goes to the other place, here the sun becomes invisible, right? So like this, the sun is causing different feelings, and how it is characteristic is rising here, setting over there, causing complete darkness over there. Beautiful seva of Surya Bhagavan does. He is Surya Narayana. Yada chaindriyaha puryaha prachalate panchadasha katikabhiryamya sapada-koti dvayam yojananam sadha dvadasha lakshani sadikani chopayati. Tato varunim saumyam aindrim cha punah tadanye cha grahaha somodayo nakshatraihi सह ज्योतिश्चक्रे समभ्युध्यन्ति सह वानिम्लोचन्ति एव मुहूर्तेन 34,00,000 अष्टशताधिकानि सौरो रथः त्रयीमयोऽसौ चतसृषु परिवर्तते पुरीषु. 20 minutes. Within 15 Gatikas, the sun travels from Indra, east le Indra lende, he goes to the west, he goes to the south. East lende, he starts from Indra in the east, he travels 2,37.5 lakhs of yojana within 15 Gatikas before he reaches south. Then again it takes him the same time to reach Varuna of the west, and then he goes to the north. So east lende, south, west, north, right? So he starts from the city of Indra. Anga etra yojana 2 crores. Sardha dvadasha lakshani sadikani chopayati. 2 crores 37.5 lakh of yojana. He has to travel within 15 Gatikas to reach Yamas. Indra lendi Yamaloka. Then Yamalokathlende again same distance to go to Varuna Lokam, and then from there he goes to the north. Ide type than the moon. Evam tado varinim saumyam aindrim cha punah tada anye cha grahaha. All the moon and other planet also move the same way. They rise and set at the same time as the sun, but they are invisible. Therefore, we are not able to really see. The sun is taking over. When the sunrise has come, we cannot see the moon and the stars. So this way, the Veda embodied the sun. Eva muhurtena chatustrimsha lakshana yojanani ashtashadadikani sauro rataha traimayosau. Veda Rupamananda, Surya Bhagavan, is traveling at the rate of 34 lakhs 800 yojanas per muhurta. இப்படிலாம் ஸ்லோ ஃபாஸ்ட் எல்லாம் பண்ண முடியாது. கரெக்ட் டைம். எப்படி குருவாயூரப்பன், see the constant movement, correct movement, right? Suddenly fast, suddenly slow எல்லாம் கிடையாது. How Bhagavan is running this universe, like a clockwork, it is going on. You think it just happened? Guruvayurappan is doing so much behind the scene, everything regulated by him. See that shloka in Narayanyam 98? Yadbhityo dedi suryo dahadisha dahano yadbhityo dedi suryo yadbhityo dedi suryo. Surya Bhagavan is praying and Bhayattala Guruvayurappan or servanta he is working and doing this seva. Correct, he does his thing. Adhe speed is already correct, set, right? Idhe madri he has to go over because he is servant of Bhagavan and he does this seva to Bhagavan. So, yet bhityo dedi suryo, this is Guruvayurappan, because of his control, the planets, the sun, the moon, other grahas are doing their work round and round. Bhagavan's system, beautifully set up by Bhagavan. This way, yasaikam chakram dvadashanam shannemi trinabi samvatsaratmakam समावनन्दी तस्याक्षो मेरुः मूर्धनि कृतो मानसोत्तरे कृतेतरभागो यत्र प्रोधं रविरथचक्रं तैलयन्त्रचक्रवदे भ्रमन्मानसोत्तरगिरौ परिभ्रमति अक्षे कृतमूलो द्वितीयो अक्षः तुल्यमानेन संविदः तैलयन्त्राक्षवदे ध्रुवे कृतो परिभागः. The jnanis, the rishis already are able to see all this, and they have described the sun as a single wheel, so big, starting from one side Manasottara mountain, and then one is on the Mahameru. Like this, the huge wheel of the sun is just one wheel. Yasyaikam chakram dvadasharam, and then 12 spokes are there, which is the 12 months for us. Shanne me trinabi, so many numbers are coming. It has a rim with 6 divisions, 6 segments, and the 6 segments are 6 seasons namalukku. Shannemi, then trinabi chaturmasyam 3 months are the hub. The chaturmasya varat and all they will say in the middle, late June, July, that time. So that Shande me trinabi samvatsaratmakam samamanandi tasyaksho meroho mudhani krido manasottare ade. That's this big wheel. It's like the axle tree. Adod one end is there and one end is here, and the wheel of the chariot of the sun, Surya toda ratham, Surya Bhagavanoda ratham is this axle, and it moves like this. Then there is another one, tasmin akshay kritamulo dvidiyoho akshaha turyamanena sammitah tailayantrakshavade dhruve krito paribhagah. Another axle, it is connected, it is going like a oil press mari, it's moving. And another axle is 1/4 the length of the first. It is lower end is connected, and it's also connected with Dhruva Mandala. The lower end is connected with the first axle, and the other end is connected with the Dhruva Mandala. Rendu axle irukku sunukku. Dhruva Mandala, pole star. Adu innoru chapter is coming for that. Dhruva Mandala itself is a chapter. It's coming very oh wow, it's next 23rd chapter. Pole star, Dhruva, it's a very beautiful chapter. So we are seeing now the movement of the sun. Next chapter we will see the movement of the sun along with the planets. The next chapter we are going to see the Dhruva, the pole star. So Rathanidastu Shatrimshalakshayojanayatah Tatturiya Bhaga Vishalah Tavani Raviratayugo Yatra Hayaha Chandona Manaha Sapta Aruna Yojita Vahanti Devam Adityam Tade Savituhu Arunaha Pashchacha Niyuktaha Sautye Karmani Kilaste Balakilya Rishayoho अंगुष्ठपर्वमात्राः षष्टिसहस्राणि पुरतः सूर्यं सूक्तवाकाय नियुक्ताः संस्तुवन्ति. See, the chariot of the sun, right? The two axle, the division, etc. Inside the chariot, the seating space is 36 lakh yojana in length, seat for sitting, and a quarter of that 9 yojana in the width, this big chariot. And the chariot is connected to the horses, beautiful horses of the sun. And the yoke, the yoke is used to tie the chariot to the sun. Aruna is the charioteer for Surya Bhagavan. And see this great, he is attaching to that horses, when the Vedic Gayatri mantras are chanted, Vedic meters are chanted. Gayatri, Ushnik, Anushtu, Brihati, Trishtu, Pankti and Sogati are the horses of the chariot. And Aruna is driving the chariot where Surya Narayana is seated. And Aruna is seated in the chariot and driving it, but he faces Surya Bhagavan as he is driving. I do not understand. He is looking at Surya, but he is driving backward, reversely. I don't know. Wow. It says that here. Aruna, though seated in front of the chariot, he faces the sun while working as the charioteer. So, Purastade Savituhu Aruna Paschacha Niyuktaha Sautye Karmani Kilaste. So, this is beautiful. The Ratham of Surya Bhagavan is what we are seeing today. 60,000 rishis called Valakilyas. They are only very small. They are called size of a thumb. Angushta Parvamatra. Shashti Sahasrani Purataha. Suryam, they are invoking Surya Bhagavan with hymns, singing his stuti. The rishis standing with the hand bowed and singing the stuti of Surya Bhagavan. In the Surya Bhagavan is also the guru of our Hanumanji. Hanumanji will travel with Surya Bhagavan and learn Gayatri Mantra and all. And so he is also the guru. Also for Gokarna, remember Bhagavad Mahatyamam? Gokarna, when he was lost, how to save Dundukari because he is in Preta Shariram, and whatever upayam he tried of telling Bhagavad Gita or Jnana Upadesha, nothing worked to redeem the Preta Shariram. Our Gokarna, he went to Surya Bhagavan and he learned Srimad Bhagavatam. Going in the same speed as Surya Bhagavan, Gokarna traveled with him and he learned Bhagavatam. And then he came and did Katha and Dundukari was liberated, right? Appearpata Surya Bhagavan is doing Kainkaryam to Guruvayurappan. You can imagine how great is our Guruvayurappan that he is running this cosmos. That's why we saw Vaikunta Ekadashi, Virat Rupam of Guruvayurappan, right? How much is happening above us, and we are just sometimes immersed in our day-to-day things without appreciating all this and having gratitude, right? How much is happening. So this is just a reminder for us. To every class we should remember the greatness of Guruvayurappan and the smallness of us. At the end, so again, last two shloka. Tadanye charashayo Gandharva Taraso Naga Gramanyo Yadudana Deva Ityekaikasho Ganaha Sapta Chaturdasha Masi Bhagavandam Suryam Atmanam Nananamanam Pridang Nananamanaha Pritak Karma Bihi Dvandvasha Upasate. Tada Necha Rishayo Gandharva Saraso Naga Gramanyo Yadudana Deva Ityekaikasho Ganaha Sapta Chaturdasha Masi Bhagavandam Suryam Atmanam Nananamanam Pritang Nananamanaha Pritak Karma Bihi Dvandasha Upasate. Lakshotaram Sardha Navakoti Yojana Parimandalam Bhuvalayasya Kshanena Sagavyudyuttaram Dvisahasra Yojanani Sabhunte. When the sun is going above the equator, Dakshina, southern solstice, when sun is going below the Australia and other places, for us in the above the equator, America, etc. So that northern it starts from this about in about a week or so. Uttarakhand starts, then some then from second half of the year is Dakshina. When I do Surya Namaskar in yoga class, Gopika Jeevana Smaranam, Govinda, Govinda, Sadgurunath Maharaj. Jai Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare